The era of dropping over $2,000 on a precision elk rifle is officially dead. Advanced manufacturing and polymer injection molding have completely flipped the industry, bringing sub-minute of angle capabilities to a price point that any hunter can reach. Today we are breaking down the top 5 budget hunting rifles under $700 that deliver the most devastating and reliable field performance on the market right now. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our tactical field reviews. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5 is the Stevens 334. If you are the kind of hunter who hates the modern push for polymer and plastic everything, this rifle is going to catch your eye. What we are looking at here is a return to traditional wood and steel, but built with modern international manufacturing to keep the cost incredibly low. This platform is actually made in Turkey, which gives you access to premium Turkish walnut without that premium American price tag. But let us talk about the mechanical side, because that is where it gets interesting for the elk woods. The standout feature here is the fat body 3-lug bolt with a short 60-degree bolt lift. Most budget American rifles use a 90-degree lift. When you are running a 60-degree throw, your hand stays much lower. This means you clear the large ocular bell on your heavy hunting optic easily, and you can cycle the action significantly faster. When you are tracking a massive bull through the timber, speed matters. The receiver is heavy carbon steel, and it comes with a factory-installed steel Picatinny rail. You are getting a 20 or 22-inch free floating button rifled barrel. The trigger is a traditional 2-stage adjustable system. It gives you a really defined take-up wall before a clean break, which is exactly what you want when your hands are freezing and you are wearing thick winter gloves. It also features a true 3-position safety on the right side. That means you can lock the bolt down tight when you are hiking steep and treacherous mountain terrain, so a branch does not accidentally snag and open your action. Chambered in proven rounds like .308 Winchester and 6.5 Creedmoor, it delivers consistent 1 minute of angle accuracy right out of the box. It feeds from a reliable 3-round detachable box magazine. It is a heavier rifle at about 7.6 pounds, but that mass actually soaks up recoil beautifully for steady off-hand shots. The base synthetic model starts at an MSRP of $389, while the premium Turkish walnut version will run you about $489. Coming in at number 4 is the Glenfield Model A. If you know your firearms history, you know the Glenfield name was a huge budget brand back in the day, before it vanished in the 1980s. But Ruger recently brought the name back to life, and what they did here is absolutely brilliant for the consumer. The Glenfield Model A is essentially a rebadged Generation 1 Ruger American rifle. Because they are using proven existing tooling, they bypass all that research and development cost, and they pass those savings straight to you. Mechanically, you are getting a highly robust 3-lug bolt with a short 70-degree lift. That gives you plenty of clearance for big modern scopes and allows for incredibly fast follow-up shots. But the real star of the show is the barrel. It is a 20-inch cold hammer forged barrel. Cold hammer forging aligns the grain structure of the steel, which gives you exceptional barrel life and inherent precision. It is also threaded 5/8 by 24 right out of the box, making it ready for almost any .30 caliber suppressor. They kept the cost down by skipping fancy finishes. You get a utilitarian matte black oxide finish and a rigid moss green synthetic stock with an aggressive splatter texture. That texture is exactly what you need when your hands are wet and freezing during a late season hunt in the Rockies. It weighs just 6.3 pounds unloaded, making it incredibly easy to carry up steep elevations. It features an adjustable trigger that comes in around 4 pounds from the factory, available in reliable cartridges like .308, Winchester 30-06, Springfield 270. Winchester and 6.5 Creedmoor field tests show this rifle easily achieves sub-minute of angle accuracy with good factory ammunition. This incredibly capable backcountry tool has an MSRP of just $499. Coming in at number 3 is the Mossberg Patriot Carbine. If you are running a silencer in the elk woods, pay attention, because this platform was specifically engineered for you. Adding a 6 to 8 inch suppressor to a standard 24-inch hunting rifle makes it feel like you are swinging a flagpole through dense timber. Mossberg solved that maneuverability issue with a 16.25-inch medium bull contour barrel. Now do not just look at the length. Look at the contour. It stays thick all the way down to a 0.75-inch diameter at the 5/8 by 24 threaded muzzle. That engineering detail is critical. It gives your suppressor a perfectly square and thick shoulder to index against. Without that thick shoulder, your can might mount slightly off axis, and you are risking a catastrophic baffle strike. This short barrel brings the overall unsuppressed length down to just 36.5 inches and drops the weight to an incredibly nimble 6.2 pounds. Yes, you lose a little muzzle velocity with a shorter barrel, but the real-world drop is minimal, and out to 400 yards, the elk will not notice the difference. The action features a spirally fluted 2-lug bolt. That fluting gives dirt and ice a place to escape, keeping the gun running reliably in harsh late-season conditions. It is equipped with the lightning bolt action trigger, which is user-adjustable from 2 to 7 pounds and incorporates a safety blade right on the trigger face. Chambered in heavy-hitting rounds up to the 7mm PRC, this short magnum concept is a beast. Run it suppressed, and you completely mitigate the magnum blast while carrying a highly maneuverable rig that points fast in heavy cover. The MSRP on the Mossberg Patriot Carbine sits nicely between $500 and $515. Coming in at number 2 is the Savage Axis 2 Pro. If you have ever been caught in a 3-day sleet storm high up in the Rockies, you know that extreme weather resistance is not a luxury, it is an absolute necessity. Savage addressed that head-on by coating the entire barrel and receiver of the Axis 2 Pro in gunmetal bronze Cerakote. This advanced polymer ceramic finish means your rifle will not rust or pit when you are pushing through brutal backcountry conditions. Mechanically, they took the foundation of the old Axis and completely overhauled it. You get a rigid cylindrical action, but now it features an elongated hexagonal bolt handle. That geometry gives you a massive tactile advantage when you are wearing thick winter gloves and need to cycle the action aggressively for a fast follow-up shot in heavy timber. Savage also completely eliminated the headache of finding the right scope bases by including a factory-installed one-piece 0-minute of angle Picatinny rail, making mounting heavy modern optics effortless. The barrel is a 20-inch button-rifled profile, precision-threaded at 5/8 by 24 for your suppressor, and capped with an 11-degree target crown to protect the delicate rifling. But the real game-changer here is the redesigned stock. It features a modern negative drop comb. This means the stock actually rises slightly toward the heel. When you mount the gun, your eye instantly aligns with your scope, and the recoil energy drives straight back into your shoulder pocket instead of kicking upward into your cheekbone. Combine that straight-back recoil impulse with a nearly vertical pistol grip and the legendary adjustable AccuTrigger, and you get an incredibly stable shooting platform. Independent tests show this rifle consistently shoots sub-minute of angle groups, ensuring you can deliver precise, ethical strikes on the vitals of an elk at highly extended distances. You get all of this weatherproofing and mechanical precision for an MSRP ranging from $599 to $629. Coming in at number 1 is the undisputed king of the budget category, the Ruger American Generation 2. While the official MSRP sits at $729, the actual street price reliably hovers between $599 and $649, cementing its place as the absolute best value for the modern elk hunter. Ruger took a decade of consumer feedback from their legendary Generation 1 and engineered a platform that punches way out of its weight class. The action retains the wildly successful 70-degree 3-lug bolt design with dual cocking cams, giving you incredibly smooth operation and rapid cycling from the shoulder. But the barrel is where things get serious. You get a deep spiral fluted contour, which reduces weight without sacrificing rigidity and significantly increases surface area for rapid cooling. It comes factory threaded at 5/8 by 24 for your suppressor, and the metalwork is completely protected by a highly durable smoked bronze Cerakote finish. The stock is a radical upgrade. Finished with an aggressive splatter paint texture for traction in freezing rain, it features a fully modular adjustment system. You can quickly alter the length of pull from 12 inches to 13.75 inches and change the comb height. This means you can custom fit the rifle to your body mechanics, heavy winter clothing, and optic height. They also added an intuitive 3-position tang mounted safety so you can safely unload the chamber while the trigger remains locked. But the biggest functional upgrade for the backcountry hunter is the transition to standard Accuracy International Chassis System Pattern magazines. These AICS magazines are the global standard for absolute reliability and straight-line feeding. Paired with the adjustable Ruger Marksman trigger, which breaks cleanly between 3 and 5 pounds, this rifle delivers consistent sub-minute of angle precision with heavy hitting calibers like the 7mm PRC. If you want a sub-$700 rifle that performs like a custom build, the Ruger American Gen 2 is exactly what you are looking for. Do you think the Ruger American Generation 2 actually deserves the #1 spot, or is there another budget rifle that you trust more in the elk woods? Drop your thoughts down in the comments because we want to hear what you're running. If you want to keep seeing honest, real-world tactical reviews without the industry fluff, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Stay safe out there, and we will see you in the next video.